Now, our next theorem is equal chords of a circle or congruent circles. Equal chords of a circle, that is, you have to say congruent circle, are the equidistant from the center. So now, first here we draw a circle. The circle with the center point is O, and the AB and the PQ are the two chords. AB and the PQ are the two chords, and OM is perpendicular to AB and ON is perpendicular to PQ. So now first you have write down the given a circle with center O and the two chords AB and the PQ. This is the given for the statement. Now to prove AB and the PQ are the equidistant from the center point O. Now, first you have to take the construction. Draw OM and the ON. OM is perpendicular to AB, and AB and ON is perpendicular to PQ. And now join the OA, OB, OP and the OQ. So now, first you have to prove. We know that the perpendicular from the center to a chord bisect the chord. So bisect the chord. So it means you have to write down AM equal to MB equal to half of AB. AM. Here AM is a perpendicular bisector to AB, so you can write down as AM is equal to MB equal to half of AB. Now similar, here we write down because OM is perpendicular to AB. Similarly, you have to write down the PN is equal to NQ equal to half of PQ because ON is perpendicular to PQ. Now there are the two conditions. So it will be you find the chord AB is equal to the chord of PQ. Both chord will be are equal. This is the already given in statement. Both chord will be are equal. So chord are equal. So you can put here the value 1 upon 2 AB equal to half of PQ. So then equating both equations, so you can write as PM, you can write as AM equal to MB equal to PN is equal to NQ. So both four terms will be are always equal. So now first you have to write down 9 now in the triangle OMA. So triangle OMA is equal OMA and the triangle O and Q. O and Q, both the triangles. Triangle OMA and the triangle O and Q. So in both being angles, first you have to write down here OA equal to OQ. OA is equal to OQ because the radii of same circle. Radii will be same. Radii of same circle. So OA equal to OQ. And the next is AM. AM is equal to the NQ. So write down AM is equal to the NQ. This is the condition. This equation will be proved in previous theorem. AM is equal to the NQ. So you can write prove by previous theorem. Now the next one is angle OMA is equal to the ONQ. Angle OMA is equal to the angle ONQ because each will be make a 90-degree angle. So now then triangle OMA is equal and the congruence of triangle ONQ by the RHS congruency rule, because here we given two sides and the one angle, but this angle will be make 90-degree and the bisect the chord. So by using RHS congruency rule, triangle OMA equal in congruence triangle O and Q. So you can write then you can write then OM is equal to the ON by the CP CT. So OM equal to ON. So this line, the distance between the OM equal chords of a circle are the equidistance from the center. So ON equal to the ON. Both distance will be are equal by the CP CT.